Today is World Population Day, July 11th. We need to control our population to accelerate our growth. World Population Day raises awareness about key issues. Sustainable development meets current needs without compromising the future. The global population exceeds 8 billion, balancing growth is crucial. Key challenges include resource depletion and climate change. Solutions include renewable energy, sustainable agriculture, and education. On World Population Day, we emphasize the importance of gender equality. Education helps girls marry later and have fewer children. Greater education leads to a 5 to 10% reduction in fertility rates. 218 million women wish to avoid pregnancy but lack contraception. Investing in women's income helps families thrive. 800 women die daily due to preventable causes related to pregnancy. Overcome barriers to women's empowerment through education and advocacy. Empowering women could add $12 trillion to global GDP by 2025.
World Population Day reminds us poverty and hunger are linked to population growth. Resource scarcity. More people compete for limited food, water, and land. Economic strain. High birth rates trap poor families in cycles of poverty. Food insecurity. 828 million people go hungry daily, while food waste exceeds 1.3 billion tons annually. Urban slums. Rapid population growth leads to overcrowding and poor sanitation. Empower women and girls. Educated women have fewer children and earn more. Invest in sustainable agriculture. Support small farmers to combat food shortages. Universal access to family planning can dramatically impact maternal deaths and poverty rates. Cash transfer programs help reduce poverty significantly, as shown by Brazil's Bolsa Familia. Reduce food waste. By cutting waste, we can feed billions. If current trends continue, 600+ million will still face hunger in 2030. Women farmers are less productive not due to skill, but lack of access. By 2025, 1.8 billion people will live in water-scarce regions due to climate change.
World Population Day reveals a harsh truth. Population growth intensifies climate change. With over 8 billion people, we consume resources faster than Earth can replenish them. More people mean greater fossil fuel use, especially in transport and industry. The richest 10% produce half of global CO, but developing nations face increasing demand. Deforestation accelerates with agriculture expanding to feed growing populations. By 2030, 40% of people will face water shortages due to climate change and population growth. Agriculture produces significant greenhouse gases, and we need sustainable farming to feed 10 billion. Empowering women can significantly reduce global carbon dioxide emissions. Shifting to renewable energy sources like solar and wind is vital for sustainability. Protecting forests and supporting indigenous rights can enhance biodiversity. Investing in sustainable cities and public transit is crucial to cut urban waste. We must hold corporations accountable for emissions and push for climate justice. Today is World Population Day, observed on July 11th. This day aims to draw attention to the urgent issues facing our world's population. It serves as a reminder to foster sustainable development and well-being for all. Join us in reflecting on our shared global responsibility. Let's work towards ensuring a better future for all generations.